Here's how to fix website not allowed on the iPhone. So if you're on a page like this, you see this website not allowed, you can add website to allowed list, it's a restricted website, etc. That means there's settings on your phone in screen time that are restricting your content that you can view. And so what we need to do is get to our settings. So we can tab out and go into settings. Inside of here, we need to scroll down to screen time. And inside of screen time, we're going to scroll down to restrictions, and that's content and privacy restrictions. Now you may be able to just toggle this off completely, and that might fix any content restrictions that you're running into. And then you might have to enter in your passcode, which might be a different passcode than your phone passcode, or it might be the same as your screen time passcode to actually allow that. But the spot where you allow and disallow website content is in App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And so we tap on that and we go down here to Web Content. Tap on that and you're probably going to see a few things here, like that you can only access approved websites, or that you're limiting websites, and in the Never Allow section are certain websites. So what we can do is we can tap Unrestricted right here to unrestrict all of our web content, and that will allow you to load any web content. The other thing you can do is if you want to leave it on this, you can actually just swipe a little bit on this guy to delete him. And then you can go to add website to make sure that you actually allow, in this case, youtube.com. And then we're going to back out of that. So now always allowed is youtube.com, and we make sure it's not in the never allow. And we go back and we can probably refresh that page in Safari, and it actually just opened right away. So that's how you can unblock websites or fix website is not allowed on the iPhone. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.